Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the basics. Now make your lens blank. Mark a 2 to 3 inch circle on a clean PET bottle or glass pane. Once marked, carefully cut along the line using scissors or a craft knife. Make several small cuts rather than forcing one big slice. After removing the piece, smooth the rim with fine sandpaper so it won't nick your fingers. Make sure to keep your workspace steady and dry so the piece stays intact for shaping in the next step. Now shape the blank into a convex lens so it magnifies. For pet, gently heat over warm water or hot air while pressing to form an even dome. For glass, grind the outer face on coarse grit, then move to fine grit to produce curvature. Once you see a slight bulge, polish with cloth and fine sandpaper. Test by holding over text and adjusting curvature. Once done, use water drops or tape to seal tiny cracks. Make sure to check focus frequently as you remove material. Finish by mounting your lens into a simple holder. Cut a stiff cardboard ring or use the bottleneck to secure the lens and tape or silicone the edge to prevent wobble. Once assembled, let any sealant dry completely. Then test magnification at different distances to find the focal point. If the image is blurry, check for surface scratches or uneven curvature. Resand gently and polish, or slightly reshape the dome. Make sure to resecure the lens after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.